Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel!
So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa blockchain at crypto kung paano tayo madalas malinlang ng mga fake news at misinformation tungkol dito.
Let's talk about why a lot of this is fake, misleading, or just in plain dangerous, and how you can avoid getting scammed.
Why there's so much misinformation? So there's the thing, blockchain and crypto are still new, complicated, and unrelated in many places. And whenever there's mix of money plus hype plus conversation, there's gonna be scammers. Some of them want to pump a coin just so they can't dump it. Some want to steal your crypto by pretending to be Elon Musk or Vitalik Buterin, and others are just spreading fake news to manipulate the market.
Common red flag. Let me give you a few examples to watch out for. Number 1, giveaway scams. If someone says send me 0.1% Ethereum and I send you 1 Ethereum back, it's a scam. Second, fake news or partnership. A small crypto project claims they are partnered with Amazon. Probably fake. Always double check their website and social media.
Third, pump and dump, hype a coin. Suddenly trending on Twitter with to the moon everywhere. Look deeper, it might be a coordinated pump.
How to protect yourself? Here's how to stay safe in crypto. First, always BYOR. Do your own research.
Second, check the source if it's not from a verified account or official channel. Be skeptical. Use blockchain explorers. Check wallet activity before investigating tokens. Third, don't trust influencers blindly. Even big-name YouTubers have promoted scams.
Real scams that actually happen. Let me tell you about a few real cases. First, BitConnect. BitConnect is a huge scheme. They promise insane returns and vanish with millions. Second, Squid Game tokens. They capitalize on the Netflix show. No way to sell those once you bought it. Total rug pull. Lastly, fake Elon giveaways. These are everywhere on Twitter. Never send crypto to strangers, no matter who they claim to be. So yeah, crypto and blockchain have huge potential, but you've got to navigate it carefully. Not everything you see online is real, and in crypto, mistakes can be expensive.
So ayun nga guys, maraming fake news tungkol sa blockchain at crypto. Pero kung alam natin ang totoo, hindi tayo basta-basta maluluko.
If you want more content like this,
Please like the notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa panibagong video.